welcome to my channel. Welcome to RGS Cooking with Kish and Alicia. Today I'm going to show you how to make duck curry. Okay, so I have one duck that's been cut and washed and drained, and then I got one onion here sliced with some curry leaves, 2 tomatoes sliced up, and then one bowl of peas. And then my spices, I have 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger garlic. I'm using Kashmiri medium masala, 2 teaspoons of dhania and jeera mix, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to braise. Okay, I've put my oil on. I'm just waiting for it to heat up. Okay, and then as it's heating, I'm going to drop in my onion and my curry leaf together. Just want to give this a quick stir. Okay, I'm just going to let that fry a bit. Okay, to my oil, I just added a few leaves, the bay leaves, and 1 cinnamon stick, which I've broken in half. Okay, I'm now gonna just add in my tomatoes and my spices and just let it fry together. Okay, I'm gonna add in my ginger garlic together with my spices, and I'm just gonna let it fry together. Adding my tomatoes. Okay, I'm just going to let the tomatoes cook until it forms a little bit of a chutney. Okay, I'm just going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, my tomatoes are starting to saute a bit, so I'm going to actually drop in the duck now and let it fry with the tomatoes. Okay, so here's my duck. Okay, I'm just going to put it into the pot. I'm actually going to add in my salt now. Salt to taste. I'm putting 1 level teaspoon of salt. Okay. Just going to give it a quick stir. Just going to let this fry now for another 5 minutes or so. Let it cook with the tomatoes. Okay, I'm just going to open the pot now and just check my curry. Okay, at this point, if you feel that the masala is less, you can add in a little bit more. Okay, to your satisfaction. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. I'm adding 1 cup of boiling water that I've just boiled. Okay. I'm just going to leave it now to cook for about 20 minutes. And then I'll come back and just stir it up. Okay, I'm going to open the pot now just to check on my curry. Right, I'm just going to give it a quick stir. Okay. Okay, let's actually cooking quite nicely. So I'm just going to leave it, close the pot now again and leave it for another 20 minutes. Okay, to go with my duck curry, I'm just going to quickly show you. I'm going to make a carrot salad. Okay, so I've got some carrots here. I've got 3 carrots washed. I've got some lettuce washed. Got 1 onion, half a cucumber, and I've got 3 green chilies, which I'm going to slice into this bowl here. Okay, here's my salad. Okay, I'm just going to check the curry up again. Okay, it's actually smelling very nice. Okay, I'm just going to lower the heat a little bit now because it's almost done. So I just want it to dry up a little bit more so I can add the peas to it. It's been 20 minutes now since it's been cooking. Okay, so I'm going to give it another, say, 10 more minutes and then I will add the peas to it. I'm going to open the pot now and check the curry. It's been 10 minutes since I've last checked it. Okay, it's actually starting to dry up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop in the peas. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it like about another 10 minutes and the curry should be done. Duck is always a dry curry, you know. So I'm just going to let the peas fry in here and just give it like about 5 to 10 minutes and then the curry should be done. Okay, I'm just going to check the curry now. Okay, okay, the curry is done. I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander and it's ready for serving. Okay, the curry is now done. I'm going to close it, switch my stove off, and close it, ready for serving. Okay, my duck curry is ready. You can either have it with rice. So today we're going to have it with rice. I've got fresh roti here and my salad. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for watching my videos. And by subscribing to my channel, you are helping me to grow my channel. I thank all my subscribers and I thank you guys for watching. Have a super day.